Namaskar. I'm Manish Yadav, working at GDRP SPM, Purani Bazar, Narkatiyaganj. In the article full explanation part 1, part 2 and part 3, I have discussed about the usage of a and the. In this video, I will discuss about the omission of articles, where we should not use articles. So friends, the first rule of omission of the articles is before the names of languages. We don't use articles before the names of languages. As for example, English is a rich language. We must not use articles before the English, the Urdu, the Hindi, the Sanskrit. Don't use. I know English, Hindi. So friends, the first rule of omission of articles is we must not use the before the names of languages. Rule number second, before the names of subjects, we must not use like the mathematics, the English, the French, the history, the physics, the chemistry. As for example, instead of that, we should write, I have no interest in history, in physics, in mathematics, in chemistry. Rule number 3, before the names of days and months, we must not write the Monday, the Sunday, the January, the February. We must not. We should not. So, instead of that, we should write Monday is the first day of the week, Sunday is the last day of the week, January is the first month of the year, December is the last month of the year. Rule number 4, before the names of digits. Friends, we must not use articles before the names of diseases. As for example, he is suffering from cholera. But then there is an exception of this rule is there are some diseases before that we must use the. As for example, the plague, the measles, the mumps, etc. Rule number 5, before the name coming after rank of title of. These two words, rank of, title of, if any noun, singular common noun comes after this rank of, title of, then we must not use article the. Before the name coming after rank of, title of. Friends, the noun that comes after these two words, rank of, title of, we must not use the. As for example, he was given the title of Nawab or Raja. Means the rule says that we must not use here before Nawab or Raja, we must not use the or articles. Rule number 6, before the names of festivals, seasons. Friends, festivals like Holi, Deepavali, Chhath, Christmas, before these we must not use the. Or like season, summer, winter, rainy, we should not use the before these words. As for example, I spent Holi with my family. We must not write, we can't write like I spent the Holi with my family. Rule number 7, before man, woman, humanity and mankind. When these words are used in expanded form to denote entire class, we must not use the before, like man is mortal, mankind is facing a great danger. Don't write the man is mortal, the mankind is facing a great danger. Rule number 8, before society, science, parliament, death, life, nature, etc. When these are used in common way, then articles are not used before these words. As for example, death forgives none. Friends, we must not use articles before death. But exception, I can't bear the death of my love. Here, death is not common. Death is particular, special. So here we can use the, but when death is used for common, then we should not use the before death. Rule number 9. Before the names of games, sports. Friends, we should not use the before the names of games or sports. I play cricket, tennis, football. We can't write I play the cricket, the tennis, the football. It will be wrong. So the right way of correcting following the sentence is I play cricket, tennis, football. Rule number 10. Before the names of food articles. Friends, we should not use articles before food articles. As for example, do you like fish and rice? Do you like fish and rice? If we write, do you like the fish and the rice, then it will be wrong. Number 11. Before the noun used as complement after appoint, crown, elect, make, declare. Friends, the noun that is used after these words, appoint, crown, elect, make, declare, then the is not used before the noun. So he was crowned king, not the king. Rule number 12. When the noun is used in parallel structure, as for example, father and son, not the father and son. Day by day, not the day and the day and by the day. Only day by day. Face to face, arm in arm, day after day. From door to door, from right to left. Rule number 30. With genitive expression, if the first word is a proper noun. Friends, if the first word is proper noun in genitive case, then articles are not used before the words. As for example, Sita's hat is new. We can't say the Sita's hat is new. Instead of that, we can say that the hat of Sita is new. Rule number 14. Before the noun that comes after type of, kind of, sort of. The noun that comes after type of, kind of, sort of in sense of selection, then we must not use articles before the noun that comes after type of, kind of, sort of. As for example, what kind of food do you like? We must not use the food. It will be wrong. Rule number 15. Before the names of person, village, town, city, district, state, country, etc. As for example, Bharat is a vast country. We can't write the Bharat is a vast country because Bharat is proper noun, and before proper noun we must not use articles. In a special case, in particular case, as for example, the Ram of the Ramayana. Here, the Ram of the Ramayana, here Ram has been taken particularly, especially. So, but in common sense, we can't use the Ram is a good boy. Okay. So, rule number 16. If turn means become, where turn means become, then we must not use the before it. A frustrated lover turns mad. We must not use the. Rule number 17. In certain phrases before object that comes after transitive verb. Friends, whenever the object that comes after transitive verb, then we must not use articles in certain phrases. As for example, soon the house caught fire. We should not use caught the fire. She is quick to take offense, not to take the offense. A rule number 18. In some phrases, at home, is, night, first, peace, at sight, at work, etc. We must use these words, these phrases without articles. We can't say at the home, at the is. This will be wrong. So instead of that, we should say at home, at ease, at night, at first, at peace, at sight, at work, etc. At day, night, at land, at hand, at road, at name, at by heart, by day, by night, by land, by hand, by road, by name, by heart. Next example. In hand, in date, in time, in trouble, in turn, in fun, in order, etc. Some more examples. On foot. We can't say on the foot. The correct use is on foot, on duty, on earth, on demand, on strike, on sale, etc. At last, friend, for sale, underground, by arrangement. We can't say for the sale, under the ground, underground, by the arrangement, by the agreement. No, we can't say like that. We say instead of that, we should say for sale, underground, by agreement. So friends, I have tried my best to discuss about articles. If you like this video, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.